Welcome back to One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Smart Pension account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in Smart Pension Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll see this kind of interface. On this page, you'll have to choose either you're a member, employer or advisor. For this instance, I'm going to log in as a member. So go ahead and click on the member icon. Then it will take you to member login page. On this page, you'll have to provide your email address or your username, or you can sign in with your Google ID by clicking on this button. And if you are an employer, you can click on this link to log in as employer. Now I'm going to enter my username. And if you want to save your login details, you can click on this check mark. Once you have entered your email address or your username, you can click on the continue button. Then it will ask your password. So go ahead and enter your password. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon to reveal your password. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials. Then click on the sign in button and you'll be signed into your account. That's it for this video, and I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.